Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Gyan Guru UGC Net Commerce. So in today's video, we will talk about how you can check the summary statistics, correlation matrix, panel plot, as well as how to run the OLS method in your data in gretl software. So let's start. First, if you want to see the summary statistics of your variable, if you want to see the summary statistics of your capital of your one variable, then click on that variable and after that right click and go to the summary statistics. So here you can see the summary, all the summary statistics of that variable. And if you want to see the combine, like all the variable summary statistics, just click all the variables and then right click and go to the summary statistics. So here you can see there are two options like main statistics and show full statistics. So my advice is to you, always click on the show full statistics, because the main statistics is because full statistics also includes the main statistics. So click OK. Here you can see the all statistics, summary statistics of all the variables. So you can see the all the variables have individually have their summary statistics, and you can see their mean invest mean is 1145.96, value is 1081.7. For the capital stock, mean is 276.02 on an average. They have these values. Like they have also other statistics like mean, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, CV, or skewness, and other summary statistics. You can also check out you can clearly, with the steps, you can clearly, now you're able to check out your summary statistics of your data. And if you want to see the panel plot, like panel plot of for example the capital stock, so just click that variable and right click and then go to the panel plot and click OK. So here you can see you have a panel plot of capital stock variable by group wise is given to you. So here you can see the 10 companies which is represented by different colors, and here you can see the years. So we have a 20 years and 10 companies. So you can clearly see by these colors which is represented, every company is represented by the different colors. You can clearly see how they are performing during these 20 years, and you are able to know your data better with this panel plot. So I suggest you just apply the panel plot and know your data uh, better, whether your companies are performing in the same line or they are performing in the different lines. So you must know these things. Another thing that is how to run the OLS method. For that, go to the model, click on panel, and after that click on the fixed or random effect. Then here invest is our dependent variable, and value and capital stock is our independent variable, and click OK. So this is a result of fixed effect. First, before applying the direct OLS, we should know whether our data is pullable or not, which will be identified by the test for differing group intercept, and which null hypothesis says that the group have a common intercept. As you already know that the OLS has a certain assumption. OLS has a certain assumption like alpha should be constant, beta should be constant for every company, which means the homogeneous panel data, and every these groups or the companies have a common intercept. Only in that case we apply the OLS method, otherwise we will not apply the OLS method. So for that, So this is the null hypothesis. For that we will see the p-value. If the p-value is above the 0.05, then we accept the null hypothesis, which says that these group have a common intercept. Means we will apply the OLS. So we will check the p-value here. So the p-value is 8.70015 e dash 0.45. So e means exponential here, which is equivalent to 0, and p-value which p-value means 0 is less than the 0.05. 0 is less than the 0.05, and so in this case we reject the null hypothesis because this value is less than the 0.05. And if we want to accept the null hypothesis, then this p-value should be more than the 0.05. Only in that case we accept the null hypothesis and we can say that our data is pullable. But in this case, because of the value is less than the 0.05, because of the exponential e value is there, which means 0, value. So which is less than the 0.5, which is less than the 0.05, right? So in this case we reject the null hypothesis and we will go for the fixed effect or random effect further. But suppose if you have the opposite results, like if this value is more than the 0.05%, then how you can run the OLS method. For those learners, you have to go to the model and then click on the ordinary least square. So here invest is our dependent variable and value on capital stock is our independent variable. Invest is our dependent variable, and then click OK. So here you have the results of pooled OLS method, right? And you can see the p-value, standard deviation and coefficient. P-value gives the whether your independent variables is significant or insignificant, but these are the standard errors, and the coefficient, which basically represents the if the one unit change in the independent variable, what will be the effect on the dependent variable, or how much the effect will be there on the dependent variable, which represent by the coefficient. So friend, I hope this will be helpful for you, right? And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you everyone.